Greetings, Hebrew students. Shalom, Meheretz, Yishrael. How's that good self-discipline study schedule and discipline honing going? Mastering Biblical Hebrew. And reading the text of the Word of God in its initial original language, Hebrew, is getting ever closer. And when we begin doing so, it will be worthwhile. For your motivational memo this week, in Normal Hereafter, please see the insight at the conclusion of each respective chapter in the text, Practical Van Pelt, Basics of Biblical Hebrew. And a table of insights appears on page Roman 12, Roman 13 of the text. And one would do well also to review the motivational memos posted in the weekly announcements for weeks 1 through 8 as well. And just a reminder of your 9th week's work, and be sure and check the link in the course as well, just to be sure I've included everything. But for objectives, we want you to recognize and articulate the function of Hebrew cardinal and ordinal numbers. We want you to demonstrate an understanding of some of the irregularities regarding Hebrew numbers. And we want you to be able to demonstrate an understanding of how to access and use BDB, Kalat, and Halat, Hebrew lexicons, and logos. For study requirements, you need to work through lesson 11 in Practical Van Pelt, Basics of Biblical Hebrew Grammar. You need to watch the video lectures for lesson 11. You need to watch the presentation on Hebrew lexicons included in logos. And then you want to memorize vocabulary words in the course text, Basics of Biblical Hebrew Grammar, page 119, and masculine and feminine forms of the numbers 1 through 10 on pages 113. For your assignments, you have pronunciation, where you're going to record yourself reading the Hebrew text of Genesis 15, 5, and 6. You have quiz number 9 to do this week, and workbook exercises 11. And notice the extended statement below here about the discussion board. Note especially what's required in your individual post, and then notice the requirements that are there for responding to your peers. And remember, you do want to respond to, I believe, one or two, at least one, if not two of your peers, as indicated here. And there's the supplemental activities that are noted here as well, so take note of those. Obviously, the more you immerse yourself in the language, the better you're going to do. Excuse me. You've got the regular things that are here, but do take note of them just because you get familiar with them. And don't just take them for granted. You have their listed items to cover each week. You have again the reminder about discussion boards and the reminder about the late policy. And I hope to get some of the things posted here from my recent travels here in Israel down to Tel Sheva, near Beersheba, Tel Sheva being the site of biblical Beersheba, then down through the North Crater to Eilat and back up the Dead Sea Valley a couple days later. This week, I hope to head out to Jordan with Jerusalem University College, heading there tomorrow, hoping to stop at Herodium first, and then back to Jerusalem University College in 4 days in Jordan. Keep me in your prayers. Look forward to seeing your work. God bless.